In this guide, you'll learn how to download TurboTax using a license code. First, launch your preferred browser. Now search for TurboTax download with license number. Make sure you visit the official TurboTax website to ensure the download is secure. Once you're on the website, go through the products that are available and that you want to download. Just click on it. Now select your operating system, Windows or Mac, to begin the download. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you will receive a notification. So click on the file to start the installation. You might encounter security prompts, so just follow the instructions and grant any required permission. The setup process is straightforward. Click Next or continue through the setup screens. Once installed, the software will prompt you to log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Logging in is important to sync your license information. If you are a returning user, simply enter your credentials. New users will need to provide basic details like your name and email, then create a password. After signing in or creating an account, enter your license code, which can be found in your email if you purchase it online or on a physical card if you bought it in-store. Enter the code exactly as shown to avoid any issues. Once entered, your TurboTax software should be fully activated and ready for you to start entering your tax information. If you run into any problems, TurboTax offers support through their website with FAQs and other resources. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.